Off the whistle. Schleifer. Shot. Quick takedown on Sherry. Schleifer's up 2-0. Sherry into a tripod. To his feet. Hand fighting. Turns. Schleifer right back into a single. Sherry trying to switch and out of the cylinder. Reset. Sherry to his feet. Schleifer. Shallow crawl. Spirals. Hand fighting. Schleifer lets him go after 32 seconds. It's 2-1. Schleifer. 2-on-1 to a double. Crazy scramble by Sherry. Schleifer's all the way over. He has his leg in. Sherry with the whizzer. I think that's 2 points, but Sherry holding on for a stalemate right here. The referee's gonna have a hard time reversing himself. Yeah, limp and he's out. 4-1. Start of the second period. Sherry takes bottom. He's trailing 4-1. Easy hand fighting. Schleifer not contesting it, and he's out. So 4-2. Schleifer has 51 seconds of riding time. Schleifer go behind. Sherry not down, no points. They're hand fighting. Schleifer sweeps the foot, gets the 2 points. He's up 6-2. Sherry's in a switch situation. Start of third period. Princeton takes down, working to his feet and out. 7-2. Riding time not in effect. Schleifer in at the ankle. Sherry. Own it, re-attack here. In at the thigh. He's cut out to a double here, but he's not cutting. He's elevating. Coming around the backside. Covers the waist. Gets his takedown. 7-4, Schleifer. That's how we're going to end up. 7-4 for Princeton.
The winner, 174 for Princeton, on the score 7-4. Jonathan Schleifer.